should be live. Oh, it's cold in here today, bro. In the office, it is cold. Alrighty, we should be live. Every time I go into my own channel, I can't see my live streams. There we go. Alrighty, as you guys can see, the balance. You guys can see the positions. You guys can see my screen. We are ready to take on Nasdaq today. And just looking at it from the start, we have this 1 hour high that I marked out just now. Also, it's a 4 hour high. Oh, it's actually a daily. Yeah. Okay. In between, we're trading off of this 1 hour, this daily gap that we have. Wait, where is it? Wait, yo, hold on. Wait, it might be wrong. Oh, okay. So since I had to, okay, my apologies. We had this weird gap on my chart yesterday. Had to fix it. For example, like, wait, was it this right here or? I don't know. I fixed it. Anyways, gonna have to redraw everything. And it's perfectly fine. First thing, obviously, your higher time frame. This is the day. Oh, nope. Mark out the high, the previous day high, previous day low. Okay. From there, if we break above, what can we target? We could target this high right up here, followed by this high and this high. All right, I think a 400 point range is good. Go down to the 4 hour. We're not trading in any gaps that I had to mark out. On the 1 hour, we're not trading in any gaps either. We're trading in this gap right up here. Mark that out. Okay. And would like to see us reject, obviously. I want shorts today, so that's what I'm looking for. Get this back. Okay. Then we go down to the smaller time frame. We have this 15-minute that's about to form, followed by this 15-minute that we can also, and this one right here. We have a lot of gaps to the downside. That's market, it's just gapping up. But if it wants to keep on running up, I got to see if there's anything to the upside we could take. There's this 15-minute right up here. And this 15 as well. I don't think we ever closed above on the 1 minute charts. I gotta see. Market just opened, so you will see. Dude, how far is this gap? Okay. Yep. Never closed above it. Yep. Both of them are still valid. Actually, we did add a candle closure above. Alright, we'll keep that in mind. But other than that, yeah. Alright. So, what up, Sosa? How did you fix the gap? Just down here, there's a adjustment. So just adjust for the contract changes. Yo, what's good? What up, Elier? Sorry, I'm late. You said we were gonna bank today and request a payout at Asia Open. Yeah, of course. That's exactly what I said, bro. Make sure if you guys are on Tradeovate, you have MNQ M6 and NQ M6. The contract rolled over. So currently trading in this 1 hour gap. I want to see how price reacts to it. We had this we had our previous day highs right up here at 34 that we did not take out. Something I don't like. But we will see how we do for the rest of the day. I want to see structures to the downside today because I feel like we're just so overextended. Here's the plan. Take out these highs, form some sort of structure, and dump towards these lows. If you can see that, I will make a lot of money. Hopefully the delivery is there as well. But if you keep running up, I mean, we can also target this high right up here at 165. And we also have more highs, obviously, to the upside. So we have targets to both sides. Just gotta wait to see if market, wants to trade the right way. We also have 10 a.m. news today, so we're gonna have to wait for that or get done before 10 a.m. and we don't have to worry about it. But yeah, 27 minutes until this 1 hour gap gets either invalidated or respected. And we will see what we do. How was yesterday? How was yesterday? Did y'all know I broke even? Didn't take anything? Did anybody in the chat take anything? Mondays are always like low probability, so I told myself like if there's nothing for me, I'm not forcing anything, and I made the right decision because I saw a lot of people were red yesterday. Oh, Spider-Man's coming out with the new trailer today. Can't wait to see that. I'm a big Spider-Man fan. And the Avengers. Wait, when does the Avengers movie come out? It comes out in 2026? Ooh, end of 2026. Okay, that's fire. The Avengers, the Marvel is back, baby. Keep it close to land. Just dance. Gonna be okay. Got to do. Need to see some sort of structure to the downside today. I'm begging. I'm hoping we can get that. I'm gonna get these accounts back to 50K and then to some profits. Not gonna lie, I'm rushing to pass my eval. Where's the balance at, Elier? And let me ask you this: what's the rush for? Nobody likes to be on eBay. I understand that, but if you're trying to rush it, you're more than likely gonna make bad decisions. Yes, it's just ripping, man. You have these highs that we can work out. 4-hour high. Daily highs. I'm 800 positive and I don't want them to charge me again $110. When does it recharge you? Is more than my doubt. What fishy? What are you looking for today? I want some shorts, honestly. We're so extended. We have so much draw to the downside, bro. But we can very much well just keep on continuing running up. As long as price moves good and the delivery is there, that's all I care for, honestly. I think I'm 2 weeks and a half. But you got more than enough time. You're trading the select accounts, correct? You need if you're trading the select accounts, you're at 2800 positive. You only need bruh. Okay, right. You only need $1,700 more. 2.5 weeks. Let's say you still got like 10 more days to trade on those accounts. Let's go for those base hits, bro. They will add up, and you'll be done before they recharge you. Bro, yesterday, literally, my hat flew off because it was storming. I went outside to rescue my hammock so it doesn't fly off, and my hat just flew off, bro. It's my favorite hat. I got really sad about it. I really want shorts. We got a volume gap below Asia high that needs to get filled too. I think we're pretty extended right now. Long seems like it'll simmer out like it did yesterday. That's what I'm thinking as well. We're currently inside this 1 hour gap that I marked out. But yeah, honestly, I could see both sides honestly today. But I do want some shorts. We in here in Nasdaqistan. Yeah, bro, it's rough out here in Nasdaqistan. RP hat, bro. Let me tell y'all which hat it was too. It was a custom hat that I had made. Wait, bro, it was my blue lightning hat, bro. It's gone. I literally was wearing it yesterday on the stream, and it's gone. Yeah, I'm doing select account. Yeah, bro. So you only need $2,500. You're $1,700 away. I understand that you might get charged in 2 weeks. Steadily, try to get your base hits, but then towards the end, if you see that you need more time, I would much rather have you pay again to keep you on the same profit goal than for you to full port it and just reset fully and then just have to make 2,500 again. The longs yesterday pissed me off so much. Like we really gonna chop for 30 minutes and then head straight to selling a 2-minute move. Yeah. I was forward testing one of my setups. I would have gone stopped yesterday if I didn't lock myself out. In the wise and noble words of Zuko, that's rough, buddy. Okay. We had this 1 minute. I want to see us. Obviously, I don't want to take any position until we're below this 1 hour gap. So I'm just gonna see just to look how we react to this 1 minute. Get below here, and then down here is where we'll probably take our trade. That way I know that we're ready to come down. If I were to take a trade around here, I feel like it would be more like a premature entry, and I don't want to really get stopped out there. So I'll wait. I will wait. I don't need much from the market. We're also inside this daily gap as well. Are we? Oh yeah, we are. Good point out. I didn't even notice that. I appreciate you, Caleb. Yeah, okay. If we, reject this daily gap, reject this 1 hour gap, bro, the shorts will look prime. So I do remember we have home sales at 9, 10 a.m. for you, orange folder. Yes, sir. Got it right here, bro. We are ready for pending home sales. Tricky PA. Yeah, definitely want to see us, pick a direction. I don't want to, prematurely enter anything right now. I would much rather stay patient. Because, like I said, I mean, these accounts are already funded, bro. Like, I have no rush to get these to a payout. Literally zero. Could take a whole month if I want to. Boy stays ready. I'd love to see it. Man, it's all on y'all, man. Y'all keep me prepared. Y'all keep me in check. See if we're in that same gap on. Yeah, we are. Same gap on ES as well. Are you trading outside of a 1 hour? We didn't have a 1 hour gap on ES. Unless this is, I don't know. I'm 2100 from blowing this LF 150K. Bro, I have $1,300 in this 50K that I have. If I can somehow, come back from this, bro, I was at $200 of drawdown, y'all. And I'm at 1,300 right now. I'm not saying we're completely back yet. I still got more work to do, but we're in the right direction. We're heading in the right direction. And if I can do it, so can you. Bro, there's just so much going on right now. I need to minimize some of this. This 1 hour will be gone in 16 minutes. And then it's just a daily gap above. And then all these gaps above. It's because of February. Feb totally killed me last year. I took my 200 from being blown account to plus 2K, and then February was so bad that it made me lose 7 PAs and like 4K from this 150K. Yeah, bro, those. The worst part is I didn't deviate or anything. I followed rules. It's just market, bro. Some months your edge is just not gonna be there. You have to just realize that. If if that was the case, like if I saw that, I would probably just stay off the charts as much as possible. Because I do go through streaks where my strategy cannot catch a trade to save my life. So if that ever happens with me, bro, I'll probably just stay off as much as possible. Take like a little break. Orange folder at 10. Everyone probably just waiting for that. Yeah. My edge was getting edged so hard. Oh, I remember the dark days. You just need to do something, man. I'm not gonna FOMO myself into a position today either. Barcode at PA. If versus 1 hour gap, will you flip or stay the same? I still like shorts honestly, but if I'm not gonna fight the trend. If we just keep on pumping up, I'm gonna have to look for an entry to the upside. Ideally, yes, shorts look amazing, but we're not always gonna get what we want. You can't marry your bias. That's one thing I realized. Your bias is cool, if everything works out as you want and your bias, that's perfectly fine. But if you're just going against the trend and stuff, it's gonna wreck you. That made me lose all my funded. He took 3 L's in a row, and of course it was the one time you had 100 motherfuckers in the stream at once. Yeah, just my luck, bro. What can I say? It's okay though. I don't care about that. I care about the consistent people that keep showing up every morning. You can't marry your bias, but in Alabama you can marry your first cousin. Okay, fishy. That's a wild one, brother. Yeah, I feel like everyone's just waiting on 10 a.m. news. I don't see any entries. There's this 5 minute right here, actually. See if it would have played out. Oh god, another gap getting added, boys. Brace yourself. Let's see. Would we have gotten our entry? No, we wouldn't have. Get rid of this one right here. Come on. There we go. There's just so many stacked fair value gaps, bro. There's just so many of them. This is crazy. I usually never have my screen like this. I'm from the Midwest, but living in the South for the past 4 years has changed me, dog. People are wilding down here. And I want to stay away from that place. I ain't gonna lie. In Florida, ain't nothing like that. Thankfully. Oh, let me post the same. I didn't even post it on TikTok yet. Hold on. Florida the worst. Memphis, Maine. I'm moving out of here in 4 months. Back to Illinois. I gotta go visit Chicago, bro. I've heard a lot about that place. Never been to it though. Bro, what are we doing? Can you do something, please? This is literally barcode PA, bro. Barcode. Manipulation leg? Question mark? Chicago's really nice to visit. I hate to live there, but it's so nice for taking the wife out to the city and doing activities and such. I'm sure it's safe, right? I've heard a lot about Chicago. I hope it's safe. Need one drop. PA was shit yesterday as well. Yeah, it was. So far this week has been really bad. And you can either be on one side or the other. One side is just staying cash, waiting. Two could be trying to catch the move and get wrecked. Hopefully I'm not on the second side today. Hopefully. Chicago is safe as long as you stay out of particular areas such as Old Block and the South End, downtown, Midtown, Chi-Town. Are all safe. Only have to worry about petty crime there. Bro, we've got like 3 1-hour gaps. I really like shorts at 041. It created equal lows right at the middle of the 5-minute gap. Yeah, we'll see. Shorts definitely is the play for me, honestly. I don't want to long this. I feel like, we just been going for so long. If I long it, I feel like that's when we're going to reverse. So I don't think longing isn't one of the answers for me today. Oh 41. Are you talking about this gap? Or no, wait. It's a 5-minute, you said? I want to go to California, but not ICE is there. I used to live in California for some time. Cali is nice. It's just really expensive. All right, we're slowly coming down. We got 8 minutes for news. Hopefully it puts us further down. We can go off there. 15, my fault. Yeah, I was about to say. Right here. There's 15. Well, first you have to wait for this 7-minute candle, this 15 to close, and then you can form it. Still waiting on that. Because who knows? Maybe this candle right up here, we just overlap it, and there's just no gap at all. All right. Story right here. Rejected this 5-minute gap. And we're in this daily hopefully gets rejected as well. News in 6 minutes. Gotta watch out for that. Oh, you got the wordle for the day? Oh, you gotta get to it. I'll get it done in a little. After news comes out, we'll probably do the Verdo. This price is just super slow, man. Gotta do something. I think for me, if we inverse both of these 1 hour gaps, I'm gonna flip. Yeah. We have this 1 hour right here. So this 1 hour right here. I kind of want to try something. I have this indicator that's being worked on. I think we have the higher time frame gaps already being marked out, but I don't know. It's not ready yet, so I don't want to use it. But literally everything that I just had to manually do, it would have done it as soon as I logged in. So makes my life 10 times easier, bro. Don't have to mark out everything. Just does it for me. Gotta love indicators. Gotta love coding. All right, we got 3 minutes. Got Wordle in 3. Oh, you guys are putting pressure on me. Okay, well, I would never be able to get in 3, honestly. The first word is always trade. That I always do. That's always a staple. I literally only have 2 guesses. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. Just waiting on. I think I can get it done before I see it. Come on, let's go. And yep. Okay. Okay. I gotta get more guesses out of here. I'm gonna do this just to get these words. What? How is that not a word? That is literally a word. Piano. That's a good one. Okay, well, we know there's a P somewhere. Oh, bro, I'm not gonna. I just hope I get in 4 and using 2 minutes. We seem to reverse, or we're coming down slowly but surely. In Spanish, that is true. Yeah, that's a word in Spanish, not in English. That's fair. That's fair. Something PA. No E, no T, no space. Okay. So the P has to be here or here. The S, I feel like it's something like this. Oh, that was close. All right, P can't be. P has to be at the end. Clamp. No. I really just need one more letter. Oh wait, we got news. We got news. You have all the letters? Okay. Wait. Okay. News just came out. You have the S already? What? Oh. Bang! Let's go. As long as we get it, that's all I care about. Maybe the only two in the wrong position was the last two. Yeah, it took me a little minute to, figure that out. It's okay. That's why I got y'all boys. Biggest this gap. 5 points. I'm not taking that. Not a shot. Yeah, this 15. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to eliminate this one and this one right here. I know we're already in a gap, so keep that in mind. Mark this out. If you tap into this gap, I'll take some shorts. Boom. Okay, till then, you still have room. And this motherfucker said clamp. Okay, hold on. Balloon. No, bruh. Kite, wind, lightning, balloon. All in the air. Right? What the... Yo, I need to get better at connections. This game, I hate this game. Key bind. Tone. Brother. Pitch, tone, scale, key. Pitch, tone, scale, key. Yeah. Alright, we're dumping a little bit. Alright, yeah. For me, boys, right here, this will be the setup. Let me just mark it out real quick. Looking for shorts, obviously. Right here. I could have a 60-point stop loss because I'm going for a 1-to-1. So, I have my stops here. TP at this 60. We're 60. I can only go for 60 points. I can only make $600. So, I'm going with 5 micro. So, going for a 1-to-1 for this trade. If you do get it. How do you play connections? You just have to make groups of 4. So, you don't know what the category is. You just have to figure it out. Yeah, we can also take something out of this 15-minute. Yep, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm thinking about. I'm seeing the rejection on NQ and ES. And I feel like it's ready. I feel like we're ready to come down. Entry will be around 41 whenever we do get it. Obviously, I'm going in with 5 micros. So, keep that in mind, y'all. Go down to the 5-minute to make sure I get my right entry. Oh, 41. Nope, that's 41.25. I guess the most I can do is 41.25. Okay, whatever. And let's see. Rocket, balloon. Kite. Bro, these are all in the air, no? Balloons in the air. Kites go in the air. Rockets go in the air. In space. Why not take it at the inverse of the 5-minute? This right here, I mean, I feel like for me, I like more confirmation. And my entries are always on the CE of the gap. I don't take the closure of this gap. So, for example, a lot of people who trade gaps, they would get filled, I don't know, probably right here. Because you wait for the closure, correct? Me, I like to see more, because we're going against the trend. Honestly, if you think about it, we're just running up, right? We're just bullish. I would much rather wait for another entry down below than to try to get an entry like a earlier earlier entry, and just get stop rate or something. Well, I'll still see. Also, another thing I didn't like was this gap was only like 5 points. So, or else, I mean, I would have took it off the C of this gap, but it's just 5.5 points. Arrow. No. Nope. That's not it. Oh, my mama texted me. Hey, ma. Hot water, bind, jam, pickle. How does that make sense? Hot water. Being in trouble? No. Boys, we need to get some. But yeah, just a little recap on why I want shorts. Trading inside this daily gap, and we seem to reject it. We have this 5-minute up top that we also rejected. I feel that we're super extended, and we can use the pullback. Gonna take the entry out to 15-minute. If you get it, we get it. If not, no big deal. Bind. Oh, my bad. Hold on. Bind, jam, pickle. That's my bad. My bad, man. Where did you put the entry in SL? My entry and SL are 60 points apart because from the gap, the 60 points to the upside, 60 points to the downside because I'm running a 1-to-1. Okay, wait. Yo-yo, kite, balloon. Hold on, bro. Wait, where would the tea bag go? Tea bag? I'm trying to get what the tea bag is for. Oh, they all have a string. Bang! That was fire. Damn, I clutched up. Let's go. That was good. All right, I feel better now. I didn't need help on that last one or the last two. Feel better now. He's learning. I'm learning. The brain is churning. What can I say? I need PA to hurry up. I need to go to Target. What do you gotta get from Target, bro? I need tortillas and an onion for some burrito meal prep. Dude, that sounds good. I got 3 more days or 2 more days of fasting, and we're done. We did it. A whole month, bro. It's crazy. All right, we're getting closer to the entry here. Ramadan over this week. Any plans for Eid? I'm just gonna go to my family's, say what's up to the fam, and trade from your phone. No, it works out perfectly because Friday Guess what? There is no news. Think about it. God planned this out for me. He knew. So I'm going to take that as a sign and not trade on Friday because I do not want to ruin my Eid. I am in short. Let's go. I'm waiting on my entry, and then I will join you, sir. Got a 60-point stop, 60-point TP. Risking about $600 here to gain $600, which isn't that bad because we have a 1250 daily loss, so we still have that under if we still need it. If you do get this closure below, we'll enter. I'm getting ready to set my limit soon, but we got 10 seconds for this candle. Let's see if you get it. 7 seconds. And all right, set my limits. Okay, well, you guys heard that. Order working. Set my limits. All right, we just got in. We're in some shorts. Let me put my stops at 25,100. Yep. And TP at 980. Perfect. All right. Well, the trade is set up, guys. I took the higher inversion. Yeah. It's perfectly fine. I was just waiting a little bit more for my entry. I got it, and now we're in the trade. I want to see us, go towards these lows right here, obviously. And we will see what this trade does. Either we get stopped out or we get TP, Give me a 1 to 2 as well. That's fire. I do like the structure to the downside, y'all. I really do. Yep. Everything's copying. Everything's good. Now you just wait. Everything's done. You ever done Weddle? What's that? What is Weddle? I thought FOMC was Friday. No, FOMC is tomorrow. Let's see. Now we can zoom out on the 5-minute. See y'all. I'm really liking the displacement to the downside, y'all. I'm really liking it. This 1 minute low, if you get it, most likely I'll go break even around here. 30 points. Yeah, I'll go break even at 30 points. Okay, let me type that out. All right, there we go. What's your limits? My limits are 980 as my TP, 100 for my stops. All right, we're quickly getting towards our break even here. We're up about 20 points or so. Just want to get one and done today, honestly. If we could hit full TP on this trade, I'll be happy. Ripped. Hit my TP. Let's go. That's fire, bro. Still haven't gotten break even yet. would want to see more. Why did I just do this? Looking at the 1 hour, zooming out, I mean, shorts look like it's ready. You know, they're ready. Let's see if you can get break even here. And then hopefully we just rip to TP. You know, I'm gonna enable the sounds just so you guys can hear the order fills. I want to hear order fills. Maybe create SMT at lows. We'll see. ES is getting closer to this level already. This one right here on NQ, we're still far. So that gets me a little worried, because if you take that level out on ES, NQ might not take it. Order filled gives me nightmares sometimes, waking up thinking I accidentally entered a trade. Yeah. I could have sworn I had a dream about it, or a nightmare, as I should say. All right, let's play. What is it? Weedle? Bruh, what? It's a fucking Pokemon. Who lied to me? Oh, Weddle. Oh, okay. Break even here, y'all. I'm moving my stops to break even here. We're up about 37 points, 39 points, 40 points, 43 points. Oh my God. Just do it. Just do it. A little bit more push and we hit full TP. Come on. A little bit more push. Dumping like crazy. I just hope we don't get tagged break even here. I really don't hope we get tagged break even here, bro. I hate going break even. Y'all don't understand. I hate break even. Bro, it looks like we're gonna get break even here. This is brutal, bro. This is brutal. Oh my God, I can't believe this. We just got break even.
Order cancelled.
Wow. We just got break even. SMT at lows, yeah, that's what it was. It was a great trade. But it's okay. Once we're ready to come back down, I'll catch it again. That sucks, bruh. I hate going break even, yo. Look at this. I literally just entered shorts too. Damn. I lost $15, bro. Damn. Right on the day. I hate break even. I really do hate break even. It's the worst. I feel like I did nothing. And watch it just dump, bro. Watch it just dump. This is brutal. I don't like this from you, NQ. I don't like this behavior. We're literally 15 points away from TP. Sucks. I'm up $4.50, $4.50, down $7.50. Wait, where did you short? You shorted all the way down here, or Bro, we had such good. Oh my god, bro. We were dumping like crazy. Everything was flowing. I really thought this would have been our TP candle right here. You needed 15 more points, bro. We have this 1 minute right here. I still do like shorts, bro. I really like shorts. I shorted at 24.9, 9.50 break retest continuation off London high. Damn, bro. They're out to get you, Fishy. They're literally out to get you, bro. Damn, I don't know what I did and I lost 150. Did you not set break evens? I'm down $14. I mean, but look at my chart. It's literally no. Where is it? It's literally a straight line. Okay, move this back here. Why is my trading view connected to this? Okay, that was weird. I was copying the trader on my phone. I don't know what happened. I mean, yeah, sometimes because you might have to exit and it doesn't like fully exit out. I don't know. It's weird. Tradeovate on the phone, I'm not a fan of it. I'm about to get a new LF if the market keep doing this shit. No, that's insane. I want to make these accounts last as long as possible, man. This is crazy. We should have gotten TP there. If I wasn't in drawdown, I would have went in with 1 mini again. But I'm literally just trying to climb back out of 49 territory and get back to 50K. And then from there, we're just ripping 1 mini. Longs look so damn good now. Yeah, we could potentially. Yeah, this 5 minute right here. Target these highs, you know. Longs do look good. I'm not gonna lie. This would have been my entry candle though if I wanted to go long. So I would already be in longs, but I don't know. I'm probably just gonna wait, give the market some time again to think what it wants to do. We have this entry right here that we can possibly take, so I'll just take the break below the 1 minute. I'm like on a break-even streak, bro. This is so damn annoying. Yeah, I honestly hate going break-even too, bro. But you gotta do it. You have to do it. As much as I hate it. Because I would much rather lose like $14 than, take the full hit and be down $600. Think about it. All right, we're coming back to our entry point. We'll possibly get another entry here. Same thing. 60 points. 60 points. I'm going to try to short again, honestly. Gonna have to just go off the 1 minute though. But again, I mean, the shorts look amazing to me. It's just like a little retest. Come back down and shoot lower. The only thing is my break even will be all the way down here, 996. If you do get it, break even will be right here. Break even right here. TP 60 points, SL 60 points if you do get it. Till then, let's do Weddle. What do you mean guessing game? What do I just guess anybody? Okay, let's do Tom Brady. What? How do they not have Tom Brady? Oh, is it just like current? Okay, if it's current, I'm doing Mike Evans, the newest pickup. Okay, what does this mean? Oh, okay, so he's younger than 28. Okay, NFC. He's not in the NFC East, not in the NFC South. Let's try Diggs. He's in the AFC. In the AFC, we have. They have to be active and on offense. Okay, well, I didn't know that. Yellow means within 2. Within 2? Okay. It's a higher number than 8, 11, and 13. Has to be in the AFC. Who's in the AFC? Hold on. Let me look at the NFL. Who is in the AFC? I have to see. Okay, we have the Steelers, the Ravens, Bengals, Browns, Jaguars, Texans, Colts, Titans, Patriots, Bills, Dolphins, Jets, Broncos, Chargers, Chiefs, Raiders. Okay. He's younger than 28. He's on the... Okay, we're going to do AFC West. Younger than 28. Let's do Hollywood Brown. He's 28? I didn't know he was 28. That's bad. Okay, we haven't guessed. It's not East or West. It has to be in the North or the South. Let's do... What's this guy's name? Bro, I hate him. He's on the Ravens. Let's just do Jackson. No way Jackson's 29? Yo, I don't know. He's not a wide receiver. Oh, okay. Oh, true. I'm so stupid. Yeah. Okay, that's true. Okay, not a quarterback in the AFC North, though. Okay. We have Steelers, Ravens, Bengals, and Browns. In the North, not a QB, not a wide receiver. I'm looking at a tight end or a running back. Younger than 28. Shorter. So it has to be, yeah. Okay. Steelers, Ravens, Bengals, Browns. Judkins. Let's do Judkins. Bro, is that guy not like... Am I tripping? Okay. Bengals running back. Ravens running back. Not Derrick Henry. Steelers. I don't know how old they are. Are we getting anything here? We're not getting anything here. Still just have it out here. Okay, we have 3 more guesses left. In the AFC North, he's not on the Ravens. Has to be on the Bengals, the Steelers, or the Browns. Steelers, Bengals, Browns. Bro, Quinshawn Judkins, is he not on the Browns, bro? He is. How? Like what? Okay, maybe not him. Okay. Fannin. Tight end. Get tight end out of the way. Nope. He's not a tight end. He's down to Cleveland. I don't know why Judkins isn't there. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Not on the Ravens. Not on Cleveland. Either on the Bengals or the Steelers. And he has to be a running back. Steelers running back. Steelers running back. Bengals. I don't know how old this guy is, Rico. Okay. Wait. Brother, he's on the fucking... Yo. Bro. This shit is... Oh. Okay. Wait, hold on. Wait. We might get an entry here. By the way, Rico Dowdle. He's on the motherfucking Steelers. That website is outdated, bro. If it's like a kicker or like a... Bro, I'm not getting that. Or like an O-line, I'm not getting an O-line, bro. I don't know much about them. No, it's not special teams. Okay. All right. Well, we still... Okay, you know what? I'm just going to set an alert here. And we're going to go back to this. Okay. Running back. He's 27. He's on the AFC North. Running back. He's not on the Cleveland. He's not on the Ravens. He has to be in the Bengals or the Steelers. Who's a running back? Chase Brown. It's a Chase Brown. Brother. Yo. So Jalen Warren. I skipped right over him. Okay, I actually like this. Okay, we're going to have to... Daily Hard. Oh, God. Okay, let's just do A.J. Brown. NFC East. Okay, in the NFC, we got the Bears, Packers, Vikings, Lions. Let's do... He's not a wide receiver. Tight end, Laporta. How is Sam Laporta not here? Yo. This can be anyone active on offense and defense. Okay, so we're just getting harder now. Okay. Purdy. Okay, NFC West. Not a QB. Younger than 26. Okay, well, he was on the NFC West. Okay, I'm so stupid. Okay, either the Seahawks, Rams, Niners, or the Cardinals. Shorter than 6'5". NFC West. And Jigba? Well, no, he's not a wide receiver. Puka, no. Adams, no. McBride. Okay. 6'4", NFC West. Younger than 26. Not a tight end. So we got to go with running backs now. Corum. Oh, no, but Corum is not 6'4". Corum is short. The yellow on wide receiver means they're on offense. Okay. At least that's good. I wouldn't have gotten defense anyways. Doing anything? Oh, we're not doing anything. Bro, why do we have to get break even? This is crazy. I'm going to have to make a trade recap and then have $14.50 of hovering over my head, bro. Okay. NFC West. He's not on the Niners, not on the Cardinals. So either Seahawks or the Rams. Seahawks, Rams on the offense. Shorter than 6'4", not a QB. Short or 6'4", he has to be 6'4". Rams and the Seahawks. I'm missing a running back. I might as well go for a running back. I would say Corum, but he's super short. Kyron, no. I don't think there's a 6'4" running back. I don't think there's a 6'4" running back. So it's probably like an O-line. And if it's an O-line, I'm cooked because I don't know any O-lines. I'm going to have to look. Yeah, let's see. Wait. Where is Rams? Let's see how short Kyron is. He is 5'9", and then Corum is even shorter. Yeah, 5'8". Bro, if it's O-lines, bro, I can't get O-lines. I cannot get O-lines. Come on, bro. Hurry up. Bro, these shorts. I'm gonna stay on here until I catch these shorts. These shorts are gonna be generational. I already know it. We just have to wait, honestly. I wish, bro, I'll be able to do this for NBA really easily. I just got it. It's an O-line. Okay, so I'm gonna have to look it up because there's no way. Dotson. I don't know O-line, so. Okay, NFC West O-line on the Seahawks. Let's see them. Logan Brown. But we're not even close to the numbers though. That's the thing. Probably a super high number. Richmond. Let's do Richmond. He's talking to me. Okay, nope. Okay, we're selling off. We're selling off. We gotta lock in real quick. And then we'll be back. Alright, we're back. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna get this. Higher than 74. Bradford. Dang, bang, let's go. Okay, bro. If there's one for NBA, I'll do it, but NFL is kind of hard. Especially O-lines, bro. Is there? No, there's no NBA. But the draw was taken on ES. Hold on. Bro, what do you mean the draw got taken on ES? You think, this low right here? Oh, wait. Yeah, NQ didn't take it out. Draw did get taken out on ES. But I mean, we're coming back into it. I mean, usually whenever a draw gets taken out and the other indice hasn't, we will continue on in that direction towards these highs. But we're coming back, so I think NQ is gonna target this right here. All right, we might get an entry here soon, guys. See, on the 1 minute. Want a closure. I'm entering on the closure. I know there was an NBA trivia thing. I just don't know the website for it. If you could find it for me, Ben, that's what's next. All right, let's see if we get a closure here. Just waiting on a closure below the gap and re-enter. No closure, no entry. Simple as that. Try portal. Okay, I'll do it after. You need this closure here, bro. It's about to be 10. It's about to be 11, bro. You got one break even. All right, well, while this happens. Eight guesses. Okay. Let's do. Is it current? Okay, current. Whatever. Curry. Wembanyama. Okay, hold on. Position. What does this mean? That it's show silhouette. Oh, he got braids. That's John Morant. Imagine. He's in between 22 and 26. He's taller than 6'2". His number is under 30. C. Okay, he might be a power forward. I don't know. A young center. Chet. I don't know what this means. He's older than 23. So he's either 24 or 25. 24 or 25. Not on the West. He's on the East. You have all these Eastern teams. Let's do... Bro, we are just ripping up again, bro. This is why, you wait for closures. If you take out this high, I'll probably just call it. If you take out this high, I'm calling it. It's just break even on the day, I guess, again. Knicks. Achua. Okay. 6'8". 6'8". Bro, he's... Oh, wait. I didn't know he got moved from the Knicks. Where? Okay. 6'8". Paolo? Okay, Paolo. He's 23. I didn't know he was that young. France. He's not on the Orlando Magic, though. The Hawks. Johnson. Okay. He's 24. On the East. 6'8". New 1 minute. FVG. Well, yeah. I want to see what we do around this gap again. But that trade got invalidated real fast. Take this with a grain of salt, honestly. Okay. Damn, this is the last guess I get, bro. I think I have to okay, you know what? We're going to slow down next time. On the East, 6'8", 24. Scotty Barnes, I don't know. Isaiah Stewart. Okay, whatever. Close. Is there another one we can do? Don't tell me there's only. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna be strategic here. Gotta go Curry. Okay, not on the West. Already on the East. Okay, that's good. Then we choose somebody that is younger and taller on the East. Let's do Giannis. Okay, he's on the East. Not on the Bucks. He's not a center. I mean, not a forward. Not in the Central Division either. Okay, marking that down. I wish I knew the divisions for NBA. I don't. Okay, let's do Cade. Okay, no, taller. We need a center. We need a big boy. Mobley. Taller. We need taller than Mobley. Aware. I don't even know how to spell his name, but okay, I guess not him. Thomas Bryant. I thought he was taller. I don't even know the age. I don't know anything. Yeah, this might be harder than the. This might be harder than the NFL one. Bro, can we do something? Oh, I want to take a trade. What is ES doing? ES is just dilly-dallying. Alright, closure below this 1 minute. I'll take some shorts. Target. Break even here. We'll target. If I don't get something by 11, I'm calling it. Yeah. Honestly, would be nice. I don't know, bro. I really, really like shorts. Just not getting any delivery. Okay, Embiid. We need 7 footers. But like, bro, what is this age range? Are they just super young? Who's that guy on the Bulls? Hold on. He's not even. Oh, there he is. He's not 7 foot though. Yeah, no. Hey, not on the Bucks, not on the Pistons. I don't know these divisions, bro. I don't know what divisions they're in. Okay, let's do NBA. Wait, NBA East divisions. I can narrow it down. You see, it doesn't tell me the divisions. It just tells me East or West. All right. There we go. Okay. So, not in Atlantic, not in Central. So, okay, right here, Southeast. Boom. Okay. So, it's in between Magic, Heat, Hawks, Hornets, Wizards. Okay, perfect. Magic, Heat, Hawks. Boom. Well, what would you take? Go lower, please. I wanted to go lower. Okay. All right. All right, 67. I like that.
Stop field.
I got fill there. Oh, my exact fill is 67. Okay. All right. Stops at this high. That's honestly perfect. And we're going for 60 points. It's honestly perfect. If he hit high day, I mean, I'm done.
Order working.
07. Perfect. All right. Well,
Order working.
6-7. All right, we're just going straight to straight to SL, huh? All right. Anyways, okay. Get this going. On the Magic 7-footers. Magic 7-footers. Who could it be? Goga? Goga is 6'11". I don't know much 7-footers, bro. I don't really know much 7-footers, especially on the East. Hornets, who do they got? Ryan, he's 7'1". PJ Hall, 6'8". Xavier Tillman, no. Yo, are you in anything? I'm in shorts. You can tell right here, and also by my PNL. I'm in shorts. Stops are at high day. Targeting 60 points. Actually, I'm gonna have to target a little bit more because we lost. So I'm probably gonna target this low right here. All right, 71, 996. There we go. Okay, targeting this low right here because we lost $14 of drawdown on that one break-even trade that we just took. So now we just wait. I'm about to honestly end the stream because no matter what happens, if we hit TP, okay, here. I'll go break even around here as well. Break even. Okay, perfect. All right. My break even's right here. Stops at 50 points. Targeting this low right here. If you get it, cool. If not, I'll be stopped out and I'll film that trade recap. It'll be out. But other than that, yeah, this stream has been going on for a long time, so I'm going to call it here. If we hit TP or SL, whatever, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's FOMC, so we'll go from there. But yeah.